my mom Cynthia, who's been my guiding light for years. Flew from the US to the UK. So I want to say to the people who supported us that this award is as much yours as it is ours.
The engine that makes all things go, and you're always in disguise, my hero. I see your light.